As the battle for AR supremacy intensifies, Meta's potential collaboration with Magic Leap raises fascinating questions. What does this mean for Meta's future in the metaverse? How can Magic Leap's optical technology help propel Meta forward? Join us as we delve into the details and uncover the secrets behind this potential partnership. In this intriguing race for AR dominance, Meta has set its sights on forging a multi-year IP licensing and manufacturing pact with none other than Magic Leap. But what exactly sparked Meta's interest in this collaboration? Meta, known for its ambitious metaverse projects, recognizes the need to stay ahead of competitors, particularly the imminent entry of Apple into the AR headset market. To secure its position, Meta seeks to leverage Magic Leap's expertise and technologies through the strategic alliance. However, the details of the talks between Meta and Magic Leap are shrouded in mystery. By joining forces, Meta and Magic Leap could unlock new possibilities in the realm of augmented reality. Could this partnership enable Meta to access Magic Leap's groundbreaking optical technology? Now that we know about Meta's interest in collaboration with Magic Leap, let's delve deeper into the details of this potential partnership and explore the expected outcomes. What exactly does Meta hope to achieve by joining forces with Magic Leap? And how might this collaboration shape the future of AR technology? While specific information about negotiations remains scarce, industry insiders suggest that Meta's collaboration with Magic Leap will revolve around intellectual property licensing and contract manufacturing. This strategic move could enable Meta to tap into Magic Leap's expertise in producing custom components, including advanced lenses and associated software, which are crucial technologies to building the metaverse. However, it's important to note that the partnership is not anticipated to result in a joint Meta Magic Leap headset. Instead, the focus lies on leveraging Magic Leap's optical technology and manufacturing capabilities to enhance Meta's AR products. By teaming up with Magic Leap, Meta aims to bolster its position in the crowded AR space and stay ahead of competitors like Apple. This collaboration could provide Meta with access to cutting-edge technologies, allowing the tech giant to produce more of its VR headsets domestically. This move comes at a time when US companies face increasing pressure to reduce their dependence on China for manufacturing. As we delve further into the potential collaboration between Meta and Magic Leap, one key aspect that demands our attention is Magic Leap's highly sophisticated waveguides. These waveguides play a pivotal role in conjuring up realistic images at varying depths, making them a crucial technology in the world of AR. Former employees of Magic Leap have emphasized the significance of these waveguides, dubbing them the company's biggest asset. With their capability to project lifelike visuals onto thin glass in front of the user's eyes, these waveguides hold immense potential for enhancing the AR experience. By partnering with Magic Leap, Meta gains access to this cutting-edge technology. But what does this mean for Meta's AR products? How might the integration of Magic Leap's advanced waveguides enhance the visual quality and realism of Meta's VR headsets? Are you intrigued by the potential impact of Magic Leap's advanced waveguides on Meta's AR products? Like this video, and share your opinions with us in the comments section. As we continue our exploration of Meta's potential collaboration with Magic Leap, it's essential to understand the underlying pressures that have prompted Meta to seek assistance and forge strategic alliances. In the highly competitive landscape of augmented reality, Meta faces several challenges and expectations. First and foremost, Meta is under significant pressure from investors to demonstrate tangible results for the substantial investments it has made in pursuing CEO Mark Zuckerberg's metaverse vision. While the company anticipates future profitability from its metaverse projects, it currently operates at a substantial annual loss of around $10 billion in its Reality Labs division. Additionally, Meta is confronted with the impending entry of Apple into the AR headset market. With Apple's highly anticipated mixed reality device on the horizon, Meta must stay ahead of the competition to maintain its market share and relevance. The entry of Apple into the AR space poses both opportunities and challenges for Meta. As one of the leading players in the VR/AR headset market, Meta currently enjoys a significant market share, primarily driven by its VR Quest models. However, the market itself remains relatively small, with fewer than 9 million units sold last year. With Apple's formidable reputation and vast consumer base, their entry into the AR headset market could disrupt the landscape and introduce a new wave of competition. Meta must carefully navigate this changing landscape to maintain its position as a frontrunner in the industry. In our journey through Meta's collaboration prospects with Magic Leap, it's essential to shed light on Meta's massive investment and its ambitious quest for the future of computing. CEO Mark Zuckerberg envisions a revolutionary concept called the Metaverse, an avatar-filled online world that transcends traditional boundaries. To realize this vision, Meta has been pouring billions of dollars into its Metaverse projects. However, investors are increasingly pressuring the company to demonstrate tangible outcomes for these substantial investments. While Meta does not expect immediate profitability from its Metaverse endeavors, it's under scrutiny to showcase progress and generate returns in the coming years. Meta's commitment to the future of computing is reflected in its significant annual expenditure of around $10 billion in its Reality Labs division. This substantial investment underscores Meta's dedication to pushing the boundaries of technology and shaping the way we interact with digital realms. Originally founded in 2010, Magic Leap quickly garnered attention and became one of the top-funded augmented reality startups, raising over $3.5 billion in multiple funding rounds, led by industry giants such as Google, Alibaba, and Qualcomm. After the release of its Magic Leap 1 headset in 2018, which garnered underwhelming sales, the company underwent a strategic shift. Recognizing the challenges in the consumer market, Magic Leap refocused its efforts exclusively on enterprise applications, catering to the business sector's specific needs. One of Magic Leap's standout assets is the sophistication of its waveguides technology. These waveguides enable thin glass in front of the user's eyes to conjure up realistic images at different depths, providing a compelling and immersive augmented reality experience. As we near the end of our journey through Meta's potential collaboration with Magic Leap, it's crucial to highlight the importance of domestic manufacturing for Meta and the challenges it faces in this regard. With increasing pressure from US companies to reduce their dependence on China, Meta seeks to bolster its domestic manufacturing capabilities. Currently, Meta faces challenges in manufacturing its VR headsets domestically, as it strives to meet the growing demand for its products. By partnering with Magic Leap, Meta aims to leverage their expertise in manufacturing and potentially secure access to their optical technology, which could enable Meta to produce more of its VR headsets within the United States. This strategic move aligns with Meta's goal of reducing reliance on overseas supply chains and fostering domestic manufacturing capabilities. However, navigating the complexities of developing and manufacturing cutting-edge augmented reality technologies presents its own set of challenges. Have you enjoyed our exploration of Meta's challenges and opportunities in the competitive AR landscape? Show your support by liking this video, leaving a comment to join the conversation, and subscribing to our channel for future updates on the latest advancements in augmented reality. Now that we've traveled through the twists and turns of Meta's potential partnership with Magic Leap, let's recap the key takeaways. We've discovered the motivations behind Meta's strategic move, the potential benefits of Magic Leap's optical technology, and the challenges Meta faces in the ever-evolving AR landscape. Stay tuned for more exciting updates on the race for AR supremacy and the future of the Metaverse. If you want to hear more about the upcoming Apple headset, make sure to check out our next video. If you're as fascinated by the world of AR as we are, don't forget to subscribe to MetaGen and hit the notification bell. Join our community of tech enthusiasts as we explore the latest innovations and developments in augmented reality. Until next time, keep envisioning a world where reality meets the virtual realm.